really great experience, and it will help me a lot for future negotiations. So on both sides, on the sales side and also on the side where I have to purchase something. And
we did another step, and a step to learn more about ourselves, learn more about our emotions during challenges. And going down with a bob is a challenge, believe me. And on top of that, a fact-based discussion afterwards about our human factors and what it did to us.
Resilience is this inner calmness and the inner strength that we have, especially if situations or negotiations become difficult. And by enhancing resilience, we become strong, we become more relaxed whenever things get demanding.